Hello and welcome to proCode. In this video we are going to learn how we can add images in our Android Studio project. So let's get started. Now let's remove the switch which we have made in our last Android Studio tutorial video. So if you want to know how we can add and implement the button to just switch between multiple screens, then you can check the video out. The link will be provided in the description. And now what you have to do is you have to go to the picture location where you have your file. Just copy it and right click on Drawables and then just paste. Make sure you have the Drawable directory selected, not the version 24 one. You just press OK. Make sure you have, or just click on OK. Then you can see I have an error with my file. That is because its name is the thing which is bothering it. Just click on refactor and then rename, or just click shift function 6. Rename it, make the file name so that it has no space in between. I'm just going to go with underscore and then refactor. You can see that the file is showing no error now. You can just then go to the palette, then common image view, just drag and drop and select the image. Now you should have your image showing here. Just resize it and make it fit. Now you will have to constrain it from all sides so that it doesn't show any error. As you know, you will have to constrain it, and there you have your image inserted in your project. Now you can make some really awesome projects with that. This is it for today, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.